Welcome to the checkout guide. Today I will show you how to find top selling products in Shopify using Sidekick. This helps us know which products are doing well. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. Here we can click on Sidekick and expand it. We can ask click enter. Here we can see it will show the best selling product. Here the leather wallet is the top selling product. This means it is making the most money in the store. So here we can see how much money this product is earning. It shows $45 revenue from 2 sales. Then the fleece hat also sold 2 units but earned only $9. So if sales count is same, price also matter. So here we can see sports sneaker have no sales yet. This helps us find products that are not performing well. So then click the table. Here we can see a full report of all products and their sales. This gives a clear view of which products are doing well and which are not. So we should focus more on top products and improve low selling products. This helps us increase sales and grow the store. So this is how you can analyze your top selling products using Sidekick. Use this data to understand what works best in your store. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.